Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadget reviews to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best magnetic car phone mount for dashboards, the Beeasy MagSafe wireless car charger and mount. Now, before we go any further, let me tell you straight up, this device stands out because it combines strong magnetic holding power with vacuum suction technology and wireless charging, all in a compact and adjustable package. Whether you're commuting daily or planning long road trips, this gadget is designed to keep your phone secure and charged without the hassle. Let's start with the design and build. Right out of the box, the Beeasy charger feels premium. It comes with a foldable mount system made of durable zinc alloy arms that offer a sturdy feel. The whole setup is compact enough to fold down easily, which is perfect if you switch cars often or like a tidy dashboard. What really makes this mount different is its upgraded vacuum suction technology. Unlike traditional suction mounts that often fall off over time, Beeasy uses a rotating lock vacuum suction mechanism. With just a simple twist, the base securely attaches to any smooth surface, think car windows, central screens, or even glass tabletops. Just a heads up, it's not made for rough surfaces like leather or textured dashboards, so make sure you're attaching it to something smooth for best results. Moving on to flexibility, the mount is fully adjustable. Thanks to its 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees folding dual-axis arms, you can position your phone at practically any angle. Whether you're following GPS, taking a call on speaker, or even catching up on a podcast during a parked break, you're covered. Charging performance is another major highlight. This is a MagSafe-compatible wireless charger, which means if you own an iPhone 12 through to the latest iPhone 16 or use a MagSafe-compatible case, you'll get automatic alignment and stable wireless charging. No fiddling with cables or repositioning the phone every time. It starts charging the moment you snap it into place. Let's talk about strength. This mount houses 20 N56 grade magnets. That's not just marketing fluff. The magnetic force reaches up to 1000 Gauss force, which is significantly stronger than most mounts in this category. Your phone stays firmly in place even when you're driving on bumpy roads, taking sharp turns, or hitting the brakes hard. You just rotate the dial to activate the vacuum lock, and that's it. No complicated steps, no need for extra tools. It even comes with premium 3M adhesive pads for those slightly textured surfaces where suction alone might not cut it. These pads are ideal if your car interior has tricky spots. As for compatibility, the Beeasy charger is tailor-made for the iPhone 12 to iPhone 16 series and works flawlessly with MagSafe cases. The included USB Type-C cable ensures fast and efficient power delivery when paired with an appropriate adapter. To wrap it all up, this is more than just a phone holder. It's a thoughtfully engineered car accessory that merges wireless charging, strong magnetic support, and intelligent vacuum suction technology. It's perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want functionality without compromising on style or ease of use. If you're tired of flimsy mounts that keep falling off or weak magnets that drop your phone on speed bumps, the Beeasy MagSafe wireless car charger could be the game-changer you've been looking for. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.